Carrie from Carrie Buys Houses. Today we're going to be talking about 5 steps to avoid costly repairs on your rental. It's great having a rental, it's great having quality long-term tenants in your rental, but you want to make sure that you're avoiding some costly repairs along the way that tenants can create. This is our process for avoiding costly repairs. The first step is we always require a move-in, move-out sheet when that tenant moves in. So we actually go through the house with the tenant, note anything that's already broken or things that might need to be fixed, and we put that on our move-in sheet. That way when they move out, there's no discrepancies. If they broke something, we know it because we went through the move-in process with them and we noted everything in writing. So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is we like to do inspections on our properties, and we put that in the lease that we are allowed to do 6-month inspections on the property to make sure that they are keeping up with on the property and they're keeping it in good order. So you can do quarterly inspections, 6-month inspections, yearly inspections, however you feel is going to fit your rental business. Step number 3 is we always collect a non-refundable pet deposit if they have pets. I love pets, but pets can do damage to a house, and you want to make sure that you have a deposit in place that's going to cover those expenses when they move out. Step number 4 is in the lease, we have the tenants, anything under $200 in repairs, it's actually the tenant's responsibility. Anything over $200 in repairs is our responsibility. So if their 2-year-old decides to shove a Toy Story doll down the toilet, true story, that's actually on them. $125 to get that toy out and unclog the drain, that's their responsibility since it's under $200. And then number 5 is you can do a home warranty on your house. Usually they're like $300 to $400 per year, and the home warranty will cover appliances, the systems. They'll cover a lot of the higher expenses that you might incur on that property. So that's something that you might want to consider when renting out your property. So again, these are 5 steps to avoid costly repairs on your property. And if you or anyone you know is interested in selling their rental property and you don't want to take care of the repairs, we do buy rental properties as is. You can contact us at Carrie Buys Houses, fill out the contact form, and we'll get back with you within 24 hours. And if you have any questions, please comment on the video, like it and share it with your friends. We love to see you guys sharing these videos. So that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next video.